Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz. It's a good Friday morning here, and I am just creating some tutorials on Act Premium Cloud, specifically how to work with the list view. So having stated that, we have a list of 3 people right here. I'm going to click on the first contact right there. I'm going to hold the Shift key down, going to click on the last one. So just so you know, I could have used the tag mode where I could have tagged all or untagged all, but I've got 3 people. So I want to draw your attention to these 3 items here: call, meeting, and to do. For the most part, although they're slightly different things, this next step or feature works for all 3 of those. So let's say I wanted to schedule a call to all 3 contacts. Because they're all selected, when I click on call, it's going to pop up the activities dialog box for a call. And you'll notice that all the contacts' names have been put right in where it says scheduled with. Okay, now, there's a minor thing here that if you don't have this checked off, I recommend it. Right here, I'm going to click on Create Separate Activity for each contact. So I'm going to do it for today, but I'm going to do it for, let's say, 12, let's make it a little later in the day. Let's do it for 2:30 p.m., and it's going to go for 10 minutes, 2:40, and it's going to, the location doesn't really matter. I could set it to ring the alarm. To be honest with you, some of these settings you're going to want to do behind the scenes so you don't have to do it every time. But what I want to show you is when I click on save, it's going to create a call for all of these people. To clarify that, I'm going to click on Ken Durr. When Ken Durr comes up, I'm going to click on the Activities tab, and you'll notice here's the call for 2:30. Let me go to the next one and the next one. So now we've scheduled a call for all 3 people. Very easy to work with. List View is great for doing some specific things that can simplify the way you use Act Premium Cloud. I hope this was helpful. My friends, you have a great day. Thank you much. Bye now.